Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing data and configuring Excel so calculations update automatically. This saves time as you build models. Once done, normalize dates and amounts. Use text to columns or date value to fix formats. Make sure to create a dedicated transactions sheet with consistent headers and data types. This prevents errors later. You should also apply a table, Ctrl+T, now so formulas autofill, and save a backup copy before proceeding to calculations and categorizations. You now transform raw rows into actionable finance insights. Start by mapping descriptions to categories using a lookup table. Index/match is stable when columns shift. Next, calculate running balances and period totals using SUMIFs for accuracy. This ensures payments and receipts reconcile by date. Once those formulas are in place, create a pivot table to aggregate monthly income and expense, and add slicers so you can instantly filter by category or account. Make sure to lock key ranges with absolute references. You finish by building dashboards and validating results. Visualize category spend with a stacked column and cash flow with a balance line. Once done, reconcile totals against bank statements in a separate reconciliation sheet to catch omissions. If numbers disagree, check date formats, remove stray spaces using trim, and identify text amounts by forcing value on numeric strings. Make sure to inspect named ranges and formula ranges. Incorrect anchors cause most errors. Finally, save a versioned backup after confirming everything reconciles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.